everyone, this is the unboxing video of the Duopods A25 by Mivi. These are true wireless earphones, and here's the box with me. On the front you can see there are images of the pods, and it also says that these pods have deep and powerful bass. They are made in India and they have Bluetooth version 5.0. Over here you will find the basic retail information, and the customer care details are also given at the bottom, so you can reach out to them in case you have any doubts related to these pods. And it also says that these pods come with 1 year limited warranty, so it's quite a good deal. You can see an image of the charging case over here as well. It also says that you have to push the limits, and yes, these pods are engineered and made in India. That was all about the box. I will take out the product now. Now inside this box we get these extra ear tips, so you can pick the ones which will fit you perfectly. We also get a 1 year warranty card, a welcome to the crew card by Mivi, and a user manual which contains all the required information about the pods, so make sure you go through it once before using the pods. We get one Type-C charging cable to charge the case of these pods. This is the charging case of A25 Duopods. It's light in weight. It is very small and compact and handy, so you can easily carry this case with you in your pocket and your bag. Now it has a beautiful matte finish throughout. On the back over here there is a port for Type-C charging cable in order to charge this case. Now inside this case you can see the Duopods resting properly, and it is very clear that this is the left ear pod and this is the right ear pod. These are the charging pins. The magnetic attraction inside this case is quite strong. These are the A25 Duopods by Mivi. They are light in weight. The color variation that I have over here is black. Now these pods have a beautiful design. They are ergonomically designed as well, so you can wear them for a longer duration without facing any discomfort. Now these pods have a glossy finish at the sides and matte finish on the top. They also have silicone ear tips which are super soft, so you can carry them for a longer duration. Now over here you can see that these are the charging pins, and this is an inbuilt microphone to support hands-free calling. So that was all about the unboxing of the A25 wireless Duopods by Mivi. For more videos like this,